Hey there, Christopher Thunder here from the World's Sturdiest Workshop. A long time ago, I introduced my wife to the concept of a backup power supply for her phone. Now, this one's kind of interesting because it has a display on it that tells you what the charge is on the device. This thing will double or even triple the lifespan of my phone in terms of the battery lifespan or charge lifespan. So when I'm walking around, yes, it's a little heavier. I'll separate the battery pack from the phone. I'll put the phone on my handlebars. I'll ride around for a few hours, and then I'll navigate, and then I'll put the phone back in my fanny pack. Yes, I'm in the 80s here. And I'll recharge my phone, and then I'll pull it out of the fanny pack, and it'll have a full charge on it again. When you buy these things, make sure they have multiple ways to recharge, and it'll work great for you. Thanks for watching.